Well, here's a picture of Penny's new car. I know she's driving around like a motherfucking big shot now. And guess what? We didn't even have to pray for it. Go ahead and get out of the cold bag. Hell, probably below fucking zero here today. But this is Penny's new car. Isn't it just wonderful? And guess who didn't write a personal check for it? Jesus H. Christ. That son bitch didn't give a fuck. Clean as a broke dick dog. She had it for 9 days and a motherfucker run into that side, so I can say the body shop done a damn good job on it. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. And if you can't be good, at least be good at it.